How to fix Instagram filter glitch. So if you open up your Instagram application and if you try to use a filter on your Instagram, like on your stories or anything, then if you're facing a problem with that Instagram filter, then what you need to do is you need to simply remove that Instagram application because you don't have any fix on that. So first thing you need to do is you need to check your internet connection. So if you don't have an internet connection or if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your filter won't load and you might find that glitch problem. And after checking your internet connection, now you can open up your settings and scroll down and tap on apps, and you need to open up your Instagram application on your settings and then go for storage and cache and tap on clear cache. And once you clear your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, open up your Play Store or your App Store, go for the search bar and search for Instagram. And after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then simply tap on update and update your application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your Instagram filter glitch problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.